Hello, my name is Jeff Hollis. I'm a general surgeon and I work at HighPoint Surgical Associates in Gallatin, Tennessee. I was born in Tullahoma, Tennessee. I was born and raised in Middle Tennessee. I went to undergraduate at MTSU and then went on to University of Tennessee. I met my wife in Knoxville. She's from Tennessee as well. We are glad we chose Gallatin to come back to. It's kind of a halfway point between our two hometowns. That lets our family visit us quite frequently. I always knew what I wanted to be growing up. I think that's kind of maybe unusual. I knew in high school that I wanted to be a surgeon. I feel like that interest came from maybe my love of the outdoors, growing up hunting and fishing. But yeah, I've always loved anatomy and organs and how things work and how things can be fixed. Surgery seemed to be the most logical pathway for that. I really love doing laparoscopic and robotic procedures. I think that I've been in practice 19 years. I was trained at UT from 1999 to 2004. Fortunately, that was way before robotics was even a thing. I feel fortunate because I was trained in all of the kind of old-fashioned surgeries, doing open procedures. Now that I've transitioned into doing laparoscopic and robotic procedures, I feel that gives me a little bit of an advantage. I think that our group is somewhat unique. We're all board certified. We're all fellows in the American College of Surgeons. I like the fact that while we have been separated for several years, us three coming together in a group at HighPoint Surgical makes us a really solid group. I'm proud to be associated with HighPoint and Sumner Regional. I can't say enough about our office staff. My nurse Teresa has been with me since the first day I started. She's a really valuable asset. She knows how I like to do things, and that takes a lot of pressure off of me. I think when patients come to see us, they can expect a professional atmosphere. We're all focused on making the patients feel comfortable. I think I speak for the whole office in that we can promise we'll treat you the way we want to be treated. Sounds like we work a lot, and we do, but my time away from the office, I do have a lot of interests. Obviously, family comes first. I have a wife and two daughters. They're 13 and 15. We like to travel. We like to watch movies, those types of things. On my own, I'm really an avid golfer. My wife will attest to that. I think another interesting hobby that I have is metal detecting and relic hunting. I've been doing that my whole life. Gallatin definitely was an active spot in the Civil War, so we get out and find a lot of related relics to that quite often. I appreciate all the people that let me come out to their farms. Other than that, I like being on the water, skiing, jet skiing, pontoon. I like fishing and hunting. Thank you for getting to know me. I know and realize that most people don't come see surgeons voluntarily, but I would like to say we're here if any needs arise. Like I said before, the only promise we'll make is we'll treat you like we'd want to be treated ourselves. The other thing I would promise is that if we can't help you, we'll get you where you need to be.